Okay, moving day. Packing and everything is kind of a pain, but it also gives me a chance to regroup, organize. Carrie's got it easy. She has a big closet, so.
Not a big closet.
Yeah. So anyway, we're off. We're taking the train.
And we're going to Sevilla today. Yeah. So looking forward to our new place. Sad to leave Alicante, but we're going to take you along on this travel day and show you just kind of what's involved in it. It's not an easy haul because we have a lot of luggage.
What are you doing?
Trying to make sure we're going the right way to the train station.
It's probably a good idea.
Yeah, because as much as it's really nice to push your
luggage
stuff on this nice flat sidewalk, I don't want to push any further than I have to. Okay, so we made it to the train station. It's right there behind us. It was actually a really quick.
Yeah, I overdressed. I'm sweating.
Yeah, I know. Well, it's less stuff that you have to put in your bag and pack, so that's helpful. Anyway, so we are going to go in and get situated.
Catch a train.
Catch a train.
Little Tim Hortons for our Canadian friends. Little taste of home for you. Nice station.
So we are here in Madrid's
train
station, and we transferred over. Little confusion because we had to get off our train and then get onto another train of where to go. It's a big station, so yeah, really big. Last leg of the trip. We have another 2.5 hours left, so. Okay. And hopefully we can get onto the beer cart this time because last time we tried twice and there was no room. Everybody wanted to be on that area. We made it back here to the beverage cart, and it's an interesting space here because the view isn't quite what we had on our last one. So you can see the window is below our eye level, so Brian, you have to crouch down if you want to see it.
We get to take our masks off, though.
Yes, we do, and we got a beer, so hey, it's all good.
Okay, we made it into Sevilla last night. We're really excited about our Airbnb. Let's do a quick walkthrough. This is our living room. Pretty nice and spacious. The one thing we like about the most is it opens up to the kitchen. Our last place was kind of chopped up, made us feel kind of enclosed. But this is nice and open. The kitchen is fantastic. We really enjoy it. Now, one thing about the kitchen, in most of these places we've stayed at so far, they don't have an oven. But we kind of made an assumption last night, and we went and got ourselves a frozen pizza that we can't cook. So if you're from Seville and you want a pizza, there you go.
Yeah, because we had nuts for dinner.
We had nuts for dinner and red wine.
Yeah.
Does have a washing machine, which is nice. Microwave. Yeah, so the kitchen's very well equipped, which is great. Plenty of lighting. Now the bathroom, the shower is really nice. It's got plenty of room in here, a lot more room than our last place had, as far as the shower goes. Our bedroom, there's storage for everything in here, so no more me stacking stuff in the floor. This is great.
He has to organize and put his stuff away.
I'm actually organized this time, which is really nice. The bed's nice and firm.
It's bigger than our last one, which thank goodness.
Carrie's got really sharp elbows, so this is perfect for me last night. And the best part about the whole place is it's quiet. It's really quiet. So we got a good night's sleep last night. We're ready to head out and check out Sevilla. All right, double thumbs up.
we've been here now a couple days. When we got here, we needed to kind of get settled in and hit the grocery store and just kind of figure out our area a little bit so that we could kind of share with you our first impressions. So far,
no, we're liking it. We're in the Triana district, which is across the river from all the historical sites. You know, the Triana district is very local. It's the ceramic capital of the world. We're about a 5-minute walk from the central market, about a 10-15 minute walk from our grocery store, which is kind of a distance, but we're loving our Airbnb. It's quiet.
Very quiet.
And it's been perfect for us so far.
Yeah. We're excited to be able to share with you what we find here and some of our favorite places.
Yep.
All right.
Cheers.